Hello guys, welcome back to All Round Review. It's Mr. Roy here once again, and this is my unboxing and first impression of the Tecno Spark 40. So right now, let's unbox together. The box is bold just like the previous Spark series. At the top right corner, you'll see the memory option, 128GB ROM and 4GB of RAM, which can be expanded up to 8GB. Now that right here, we have the 5200 mAh battery, 45W supercharging, 120Hz display and IP64 dust and water resistance. Alright, now at the right side we have the dual speakers and drop resistance of up to 1.5 meters. So flipping to the back, you get the full specs and the highlight here, which is the free call without signal, which I'm going to test out. So that's it for now. Let's pop it open. This is the Spark 40. So right here we have the MTN free data card. I've never been successful with these cards. The next one is the SIM injector, licensed by Qualcomm, warranty card and our free casing. I love the sleekness of the case, doesn't feel cheap. So the next one here is the free earpiece and also the USB-C cable. Lastly, you will get a 45W fast charger, which is becoming the normal speed in budget phones. Right out of the box, this phone looks stunning at just 7.67mm thin. It's one of the slimmest devices in its class. I got mine in ink black, but you can also pick it up in Mirage blue, titanium grey or white. Now flipping to the back, we have got a 50MP main camera paired with an 8MP selfie shooter. The plastic back feels premium. Honestly, for 142,700 naira, this design is punching way above its price range. Now at the bottom we have got the 3.5mm port, USB-C port and speaker grill. Then at the top you have got the second speaker grill. The Tecno Spark 40 sports a 6.67 inches HD Plus LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Booting on iOS 15, what you will notice is the usual almost bloat-free UI. So right in the settings, this device is powered by the Helio G81, 4GB of RAM, which can also be expandable up to 8GB of RAM. So you have 50MP front shooter and 8MP selfie, Android 15, which can be also updated up to Android 16 and 17 also. There are just 4 Tecno AI features available, but the Tecno iOS is snappy right out of the box. Features like free link for offline connectivity and Tecno's AI enhancement makes this feel like a flagship experience on a budget. I'm already loving how responsive it is. So you have the free link here, which I'm also going to test out during the full review. Make sure you are subscribed so that you don't get to miss any of my upcoming videos. And for the camera, I'll be testing it too, and this phone supports up to 2K video recording at 30 frames per second with features like Super Night mode, dual video, vlog and pro mode. So there you have it guys, my first impression of the Tecno Spark 40 for 142,700 naira. What do you want to see next? Camera test, gaming performance? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for the full review. Until next time, keep sparkling with the Tecno Spark 40. It's Mr. Roy here once again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.